First thing we'll do is add and remove pages to the menu. Second thing we'll do is make adjustments. So an easy way to adjust your menu is to go to Appearance, Menus, and you make these menus and then you set the menu to the right spot. So if you have more than one menu, you have to select it, or you could create a new menu from scratch. But I'm just going to select the main one that was created for the template, and here are the pages that live in that menu. You can add pages, posts, any link or category. So new blog, add to menu. This is a page that I created. Now it's going to be in my menu. I want these to be sub items, so I'll just drag them over, and you can even do another level for that. This is where it's set to the primary menu. Go ahead and save. And now when you look at your site, you see those submenus. I have to change the font color here, but we can do that. You can also remove the page under menus by just clicking remove here. Alright, get them back, just drag them to the bottom. There we go. You can also adjust the menu in the customizer, but sometimes it feels a little bit, sometimes they don't really want to work. You go to menus, and then sometimes it's hard for me to orient these in the customizer, but it's the same thing. So you make your menu and then you add the pages to it. Like if you wanted a menu in the bottom here, you would create a new menu, call it the footer menu, and you could even select this, and you're gonna have to add the items to it. So then you select your pages and your posts that you want in that footer menu. Say you want these 3 posts in your footer menu, and then you save that, publish that, and then you'll have created the menu, and then you just need to add that menu to one of your widgets. Next, I'm going to make adjustments to the header. If you're running the Astra theme, you would adjust the header under Appearance, Customize, and you see you have the Astra theme settings here, and right here at the top, header. Site identity has where you would do your logo, and if you do that section of the optional video, it'll replace your site title with the logo. Primary header is where you would adjust how it looks and how the mobile looks. Primary menu is where you control what goes on the end. Here's last item in the menu. Right now it's set to button. You can change that to these options. And you can, this is where you point the link of that button to like your contact page or some other page on your site. And here we have the options for the header button and a sub-menu options. Okay, next we have transparent header, and the first option is enable on entire website. This isn't checked so that when you make a page you just have to enable it manually. I'll show you where that is. Right now it's enabled only on desktop. So when you go to the mobile option down here at the bottom, you see there's a white header. And I think they did that intentionally. If you do it on mobile, then you're going to have to adjust more settings. So here, you might need a different logo every time you select transparent header. So it can get a little bit, make sure you double check everything on mobile and on your desktop if you adjust these. Here's the color and background for your transparent header. So right now we have a transparent header, and I'm going to add like just a little white overlay. Okay, just a faint little overlay, and if you do it like that, then it'll maybe point it out a little bit better. If you do it more than that, you might want to change the text to black. So if you do it more than that, then you would adjust the site title and the menu text. Here's the link color. So you might want to adjust that, flip them like that. And then also the hover color, use that pink. So that's underneath here under menu. So now that I've adjusted the header, the other option is, here's some more button options. The other option is to get Elementor Pro, and you can make your own header, but this tutorial uses free resources. Next, we'll enable the transparent header on a page by clicking a page. I'm not going to go to edit with Elementor, I'm just going to go to edit. That's where some of the settings live outside of Elementor. And here on the side, you scroll down, disabled title, disabled featured image, and transparent header enabled. When you visit the site, they did this dark section intentionally so that the header pops out. So if you kept it as it is with the transparent header, anytime you did a new page, you would just have to make sure that there's a dark overlay on your top section just to ensure that your header is visible.